What up, Fantacular family? I am back with another blog. This time I'm doing a taste test to Arbys triple decker burger. It comes with 4 strips of bacon, natural cheddar cheese, Swiss cheese, turkey, 2 ounces of turkey, ham, and roast beef. It comes with onion, tomato, leaf lettuce, and mayonnaise and spicy brown mustard. Now, I didn't put the spicy brown mustard on the mayonnaise of mine. I switched that out for honey mustard instead. And it also comes on a wheat bread. We started selling this sandwich as of the 20th of May. I know I'm doing another taste test in the stock room once again because the music on in the lobby, so I want to avoid being copyrighted. You know, they want to show y'all what the sandwich look like first. You see, I got me a Jamaican shake back there to hold the phone up. As you can see, the leaf lettuce, the cheddar cheese, got the ham, and the turkey underneath, and it got the honey mustard on the bottom and the bacon on the bottom. Big healthy sandwich, big boy sandwich. This is truly a big boy sandwich. I think it tastes okay. You bite into a lot. You bite into roast beef, turkey, and ham, and bacon all at the same time. I think I like it. I give it 2 thumbs up. It tastes different with all that meat. Cause I put it without the lettuce, tomato. Well, I put it without the onion and tomato because I don't like those. But I can taste the roast beef, the ham, and the turkey in the bite. So I gave it 2 thumbs up. I would eat it again, you know, cause I don't know how long we have it for, so I would eat it again. Also, for a shout out in my last Sunday of the month shout out video, tell me, would you try the Arbys triple decker? And if you will, let me know if you like it or not. And I will give you a shout out in my last Sunday of the month shout out video. So if you like this blog, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share this blog.